Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get clay bricks in Dragon Blade. To start, you'll need a trusty shovel. The stone shovel is a great option, and you can acquire its recipe from a Nookie Mart or by setting up your own vendor stall. Once you have the recipe, gather some basic materials like sticks, rope, and stones to craft your very own shovel. This essential tool is your first step towards creating valuable clay bricks. With your shovel in hand, it's time to gather the raw material, dirt. You can find abundant dirt in various locations, including the swamp biome, where you'll spot small brown mounds. Simply equip your shovel and start digging these mounds. Each successful dig will add dirt directly to your inventory, bringing you closer to crafting those essential clay bricks. The next step involves transforming your dirt into clay bricks using an apprentice's furnace. If you don't have one, you'll need to craft it. Once ready, open the furnace interface and place your gathered dirt into the designated input slot. Remember, a furnace needs fuel to operate, so be sure to add some logs, wood planks, or coal to the fuel slot to begin the smelting process. After a short while, your apprentice's furnace will have successfully smelted the dirt into valuable clay bricks. You'll see them appear in the output slot, ready for collection. Simply retrieve your newly crafted clay bricks from the furnace. These versatile bricks are essential for many building and crafting recipes, helping you construct and upgrade your settlement in Dragon Blade. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.